Phrases. Mine is sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle, bitches. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Son of a bitch. Alright, we're gonna try to make this patty work. Nick, Nick. This patty is whack. Well, at least you know now. I'll tell you why. You don't know that the patty is going to always suck like that. Alright, so learned a lesson today. Canned tuna doesn't really patty up. We're going to try to make it work. I think this is going to be good. But I like Thai food. Thai food's good. Like a typhoon, except food. Like I'm like almost a hurricane strength cooker, but not really. Thai food. I like that, but I do like what my name is Tyson. This is all I got in the fridge. How'd I do? Damn, we just made a sandwich, guys. Now we're gonna plate it. I like to plate it with a little bit of nothing, because I don't got shit else. Shit. This is even more ghetto because we don't have a fucking plate up here. Alright, so check it out. Look at this pile of shit. Bam! Delicious! God. And just like all the great cooks, I'm gonna make your fucking mouth water while I eat it. Put it in half. Look at that. Look at those layers. Those fuck out layers. The pepper jack's coming through. I'll put a little Parmesan on it. Oh yeah. Oh. I put some olives in the fucking tuna. It's incredible. Oh. That's Thai food. Damn, you ain't got shit on me. You ain't got shit on me. You ain't got shit. Hey, bam. Fuck you. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle, bitches. That's good. Well, looks like that's all the time we have for today, my chickadees. I'll tell you what, we had fun, didn't we? Remember, till next time, I'm Tyson Raider. That's all I got in the fridge.